You don't always need the DoorDash app to track your order. DoorDash provides several alternative methods that keep you informed about your delivery progress. There are three main alternative tracking methods available. First is web-based tracking through the DoorDash website. Second, you can receive SMS text message updates directly to your phone with order progress notifications. Third, email notifications provide detailed order updates and confirmation messages sent directly to your inbox. Here's what SMS tracking looks like in practice. You receive automatic text messages at key milestones of your order. Email notifications work similarly, providing detailed updates and confirmations throughout your order process. As of 2025, DoorDash has enhanced these alternative tracking methods with real-time GPS updates on the web, improved SMS notifications, and better email integration, making app-free tracking more reliable than ever. DoorDash offers three main alternatives to app-based tracking. You can track your order through the web, SMS text messages, or email notifications. For web tracking, visit the DoorDash website and enter your order confirmation number. This gives you access to a real-time map view showing your driver's location and estimated delivery time. SMS tracking requires your phone number to be registered during order placement. You'll receive automatic text notifications at key milestones, and you can reply to messages for instant status updates. Email tracking sends order confirmations and progress notifications to your registered email address. These emails include tracking links and delivery confirmations with photos when available. These three tracking methods provide seamless cross-platform access to your order information, ensuring you receive timely and detailed updates without needing the mobile app.